you get a unit, you'll get 3 things with it. You'll get your control box, you'll get a set of battery clamps, and then you will get a jack accessory cable. An additional item that you can get, if your battery's all the way at the front, is a 2-wire extension for that battery cable and that control box. So what we're going to do real quick is we're going to show you how to hook everything up and get it hooked up to your Ranger and get you rolling. First thing you'll do is you'll take your jack accessory cable. You'll take the end that has 2 wires coming out. This wire connects to your hydraulic lift right there. You're going to want to plug that in. Make sure you get it good. This wire connects to your seed box motor. Again, put that in. One thing, we always make sure that we zip tie all these wires to the unit so that they don't fall down and get cut up by discs and you have to spend extra money. Next thing we'll do, we kind of roll this up through here. Make sure it ain't got too much slack in it. Go ahead and get your control box. Finagle that on here how you want. I'll zip tie this here in a minute. Go ahead and get that hooked up on this side. So we're going to go ahead and take our 2-wire extension right here and plug it into our control box. Plug it in like that. Go ahead and hook your battery clamps up to that 2-wire extension. Now I'll worry about that slack here in a minute. I want to make sure I have plenty of room. Come up here to the front. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Hook it up. Close it down. Make sure that your unit's working. On for the seeder motor. She's going. Check that she goes up. Going up. Check she goes down. So one thing I always do after I get everything hooked up and I know it's running, you don't want too much slack back here, but you don't want too little. I always try to make sure that I have about enough slack to go down to about right there. And then I'll zip tie it to my unit right here. I'll come up here. Make sure my control box is right there where I can use it. Coil this wire up. Get all that slack up. Put it right here on the handle. Go through. Zip tie it. And we're good to go. All hooked up and ready to roll.